Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, it's that time. It's time to pick the winners. Now this is going to take me 9 iterations. I have to do one for number 1, hashtag 1, hashtag 2, hashtag blah 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 up to 9, hashtag 9. So you are going to watch me. I'm going to paste the same URL for the video in here, and it's going to fetch it and load all the comments, and then I'm going to give it 9 different filters. So we're going to do this over 9 times. Here we go. Okay, that is a shortened by YouTube URL linking to the video of the giveaway, the actual giveaway video that you would have entered your comments on. Here we go. Fetch it. Now, for the filter, I'm not going to do anything goes. That would be a random one-shot winner, and that's not how this is working. I'm using a keyword filter, and I'm going to start with hashtag 1. I am going to include replies. Some people put their comments, like a comment with a number 1, and then they replied to that, and the next reply comment, they put number 2 or number 4 or whatever. So I am including replies. I'm allowing duplicates because duplicates mean more than one comment by the same person, and some of you entered actually more than 9 comments. You entered your comment with a hashtag and a numeral for each of the 9 giveaways, and then you left a further comment on the giveaway itself or the cup or whatever. So I'm allowing all of that, and then within all of those comments, it will search for hashtag numeral 1 and only pick a winner from those, okay? So here we go. It's gonna load it now and tell me how many we're looking at. Okay, so 123 comments were specifically for hashtag numeral 1, cup number 1. So here we go. Pick a winner. This is for cup number 1. Mary Lou Tomecek Baker gets cup number 1. Now we start all over again. I'm going to refresh. Going to paste that same URL in. It's going to go fetch it. I'm going to change the filter to hashtag 2. Once again, I'm going to allow duplicates and replies. Here we go. This is for cup number 2. All right, 95 of you wanted cup number 2. Here we go. KyngKy. KyngKy gets cup number 2. Okay. On to cup number 3. Reload. YouTube URL. Keyword hashtag 3. Allow duplicates. All right, here we go. This is for cup number 3. Jill Turner. Reload. Same URL. Filter, hashtag 4. Allow duplicates. Okay, 125 entries for cup number 4. Crystal Williams. All right. Number 5, coming up. Here we go. This is for cup number 5. Dana Pettie. Now cup number 6. Reload. Same URL. Keyword filter. Hashtag 6. Wow, everything. $172 comments. All right. Here we go. She really wanted this cup, so congratulations. On to number 7. Same URL. Oh, sorry. This is number 7. Allowing everything. Okay, 96 people. Pick a winner. Cup number 7. Pam Montandon, or I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. Congratulations, Pam. Reload. Same URL. Keyword filter. This is hashtag 8. Allow duplicates. And here we go. All right, 119 people for cup 8. Ah, she won again. I did warn you guys this was possible. Technically, one person could have won all 9 if they entered all 9 of the giveaways and were randomly picked each time. I didn't think it was likely, but it was technically possible. So this is an example of somebody winning more than one. All right. One more giveaway to go. Same URL. Go get it. Keyword. Hashtag 9. Allow duplicates. Okay, 150 for this one. Here we go. Last giveaway, cup number 9. Juanita Kimbel. All right, congratulations, everybody. I'm now going to post a list of all of the winners on the screen. And with those people, and really only those people, go down into the description. My email is there. Please contact me for further information. Thank you to everyone who entered. Thank you to all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. You guys are just absolutely wonderful. And I can't tell you how appreciative I am of all of you. So thank you again.